Ooh, this weather is ugly. But you know it's not. Where's this seat? Where's all my goodies? Damn, that's the magic of it all.
Yep.
You just peel and stick everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know too many other seats that have like a peel and stick type setup. So yeah, it's really good for driver changes. That's like the biggest advantage. But
Yeah, I mean that's what you recommend it for, driver change. So.
driver change, and then I think just customizing. Like
Seat's so sexy.
I think we've all had racing seats.
Yeah.
That we're just never comfortable. You know what I mean? But like I said, we're old now, so everything's got to be comfortable.
Yeah, I think like all the other seats I had, like you could replace the pads, but they weren't functional as far as like.
Well, typically on most
making
race
it
seats,
work.
this is a part you replace. That's like the only part you can do is because this wears out. You know what I mean? But like you're not able to replace these parts and stuff like that. Oh yeah.
All right, here's the magic.
This is. I'll show you exactly why we didn't weld the door bars in.
All right, you don't need an extra hand, right?
Nope.
You're gonna try to fumble this through yourself.
I rarely ever have an extra hand, so I wouldn't know what to do with it.
Wow. I was saying this thing looks huge, but now that it's in there,
Right.
yeah, I mean, it fits. Let me get some more light in here. That's crazy, that amount, because it is big, but there is some space, but it is a tight fit. It's like snug.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I mean you can see like, you know, it's right on the, it's in a really good spot. So this is kind of why I don't like two head restraint seats in the car, is because they are very close to touching in the middle, and it kind of claustrophobic, makes the car claustrophobic.
Yeah.
So I would probably go with.
Throw a Taurus in here maybe, or?
I probably would not do a head restraint seat on that side.
Yeah, I meant the one that doesn't have the head restraint. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll look it up because now I need to.
We're talking about how beautiful this looks, and Sean's complaining about
Can't do that.
my awesome Sparko.
Yes.
I know. Where am I getting? I don't think my other ones have 2 buttons on there, man. I'm gonna have to add buttons here.
Yeah. I'll do just like a whole row of buttons.